Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Widya Maratun Fudla. I will answer the question of Vidal test in English purpose. Okay. Number one. I will explain the background of the research from the above abstract. Okay, so basically, the paper starts by saying that Islamic thinking grows super fast through history. This happened because Muslims were open to new ideas, love knowledge, and built cool stuff like school, art, and governments. They also got better at thinking logically of following freedom. Because of all this progress, the problem Muslims faced become more complicated and they needed new solution. This research looks into all of that history. Okay, number two, I will explain the research purpose from the above abstract. The main goal of this research is to figure out what helped Islamic thought and civilization grow over time. It also wants to see what kind of scientific stuff and important leaders came out of this development. Finally, it wants to understand how all of this affected the life of Muslim and the world in general. Okay, number three, I will explain the type of research method has been used. This research didn't go out and collect new data like survey or experiment. Instead, it looked at exciting stuff, mainly books and other written material. So it's a type of research called library research or literature review. The research read and analyze what others have already written about the topic. Okay, number four, I will explain the result finding of my research based on development of Islamic thought and civilization in history perspective. The abstract doesn't give us the specific result. It tells us what the research is about and how it was done. To know the actual findings, we need to read the whole paper, but based on what written here, we can guess the research probably found that things like being to new ideas, focusing on learning, and having good institutions were really important for Islamic thought and civilization to flourish. It likely also identify scientific achievement and influential people from that time. Okay, and the last I will answer the number five. What is your suggestion on this research? Based on just the abstract, it seemed like a good starting point to understand the big picture of how Islamic thought and civilization developed. If I had to suggest something, it might be interesting to see if the full research goes to a specific example of those complex problems and solution mentioned in the beginning. Also, it would be cool to see impact the life of everyday Muslim and the wider world, maybe some specific stories or example. Maybe enough from me. I'm sorry if I have mistakes. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.